So here's my girls. Let me see how much money they're gonna cost me today. Well, it's my girls and some extra parts. What happened?
We had a little bit of an incident. Well, I had a little bit of incident with the mirror.
I thought you were bringing me a gift, but it looks like you're bringing me some bad news. All right, so that's nice. So what happened?
Well, I was driving.
Hang on, look, what happened to your very nice new
I know.
Acura Integra A-Spec?
I know. So I hit a cone by accident a little bit on the side of the road.
Was it a really tall cone to hit your mirror? Or?
Yeah, honestly, I don't remember. It happened so quickly, I don't even remember. But all I know is I looked to the right and the thing was messed up.
So it had wings, the cone had wings,
Yeah.
It flew at you.
Yeah.
That's good. Hey guys, we got my daughters, Vanessa and Jenna in here today. We're fixing their mirror. Rob's gonna fix that up for us. Anyways, it's a 2023 A-Spec. We try to keep it looking good. They try to keep it looking good.
We try our best.
Yeah.
I drive the car more.
Yeah.
I drive the car more.
Anyways, quick little note on these two girls. They're gonna be 19 this year. They're twins, by the way, Vanessa and Jenna. What was it? You guys were born in 2006.
2006. Hopefully you remember that, I would hope.
Well, I have to think about it. A lot of dates, right? A lot of dates, a lot of times. So anyway, shortly after they were born, I was working on a part for Vibrant. It was a very intricate part, which you'll see all over the world now because everybody's either copied the version of it, because I developed that back in, I think it was like 2008, and I named it the Vanjen clamp that Vibrant sold it as. And for you that know, Van, Jen, Vanessa, Jenna, this is where the name came from.
So technically we do have a part of the business.
Yeah.
Technically we do.
So that's how they actually earn a little bit of their living here. One's hidden on the top, and it's got a little plastic thing that hooks it in place. Because we have to pass it the exact same way.
Yeah, I know. Wait. You just flip. You got it? You got
Yep.
it?
Because they're gonna. You see the inside, how it goes together though? The clip was broken off it.
Well, they're fixing the mirror. We just get to sit in the race cars, which is, I'm not complaining about that combination. It's so tight, like how do they do this? Oh my God, this thing is crazy tight. Like this is so, like, claustrophobic. If I could fit in this, how does like dad fit in this? Oh, okay, well, you did it a bit. That was a little bit smoother than mine was. No. We're gonna blow the thing up. Isn't it tight, like when you sit in here?
Very tight, yeah.
Like I'm like tight
Yeah, I
right
don't
now.
know how you do it.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna probably change the seat. The seat's good for
It's
me.
tight.
Because it's far
Why do you
back,
have a
but
passenger
it's
seat?
so tight to take people for rides in it.
But doesn't it make the car heavier? When you're
Yeah, but who cares?
How fast have you gone in this car so far?
The first time I took it out, like when I went to Roebling,
Yeah.
and I bought the car and they did a
let
test
you-
day
yeah.
with it, they said I was up to track speed at would be at a pro driver,
So
like for testing.
really, wow. You can't drive this car on like the street right now.
No,
Regularly,
totally
right? Yeah.
It's too low to the ground, too.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be able to drive it.
Aren't you scared to drive this thing? This is a nice car.
No, it's like it's an adrenaline, right?
Yeah, I know, but like if you spin it out and you just like mess the whole side of it or something like that.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Well, you don't think about
Is that
that
your
stuff, right?
camera?
Yeah, you don't think about that. You just
turn it on?
Oh, and this is how you record? Yeah.
yeah. You can see Rob working on your car now. Yeah, that's how I can see behind me.
Okay, so press down.
Yeah, so press. Okay, you're 1/3 of the way for brakes. This has to go to 80.
Okay.
Okay, go. 80, 80, 80. Oh, now you're there. That's full brakes.
Holy, like that's
Isn't
like
that crazy?
a workout.
Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so anyways, we got the mirror back in the car for the girls. You'll notice it's a little different looking. It's black. The original one is white. We have to order one from Acura. It's going to take a bit of time to get, so an OE part for it. We just got a regular one. Rob, guys, you have to thank Rob.
Thanks,
Had to work-
Rob.
Had to work some magic and make it work so that it doesn't blow off. And we were able to use some parts that we had in the shop too. Anyways, you guys are back in business, and hopefully
Perfect,
this is the
thank
last
you.
mirror that we install without us wanting to install it.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad.
No problem.
Appreciate it.